Hey there, finance enthusiasts. If you're tired of juggling spreadsheets and loose change to track your money, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into how to use Monarch Money on mobile. Monarch Money is a sleek, user-friendly app that helps you budget, track expenses, and manage your finances right from your smartphone. Whether you're a budgeting newbie or a pro looking for an upgrade, this guide will get you up and running in no time. First things first, let's get the app on your device. Head over to your App Store, whether it's Google Play for Android or the App Store for iPhone, and search for Monarch Money. Once you find it, tap Download and install. It's quick and free to start. After installation, open the app and you'll be greeted with a simple sign-up screen. You can create a new account using your email, or if you already have one, just log in. Don't worry, it's secure and straightforward. Now, you're in the dashboard, the heart of the app. Here, you'll see an overview of your accounts, recent transactions, and budget summaries. Swipe through the tabs to explore sections like Expenses, Budgets, and Reports. It's designed to be intuitive, so you won't get lost. Next, let's add a transaction. Tap the plus icon, select the type, whether it's a purchase, income, or transfer, and enter the details like amount, category, and date. Monarch Money even suggests categories based on your past entries, making it super efficient. Pro tip: attach a photo of your receipt for easy reference. Now, for setting up budgets, go to the Budgets tab. You can create custom categories for things like groceries, entertainment, or savings goals. Set your limits, and the app will track your spending in real time, alerting you if you're approaching your cap. It's like having a financial coach in your pocket. Finally, check out the Reports feature to see visualizations of your spending habits. This helps you spot trends and make smarter decisions. Remember, the key to success with Monarch Money is consistency, updated daily for the best results. There you have it. With these steps, you're all set to master Monarch Money on your mobile. Give it a try and watch your financial life transform. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.